hope you enjoyed the panorama. It's such a realistic and some amazing place. So if you come here, definitely you must visit it. And now we just came to a national park, I think it is, Kaylaka. We're gonna walk around this cliff. It looks amazing. It has, yeah, it looks like there is some cave, some old fountain in front of me, which it's not working, and it's shame, but this is what it is. Let's see, what is this? Oh, restaurant, the cave, restaurant Peșterata. I'm sure it's gonna be interesting to see it from inside, but unfortunately it's closed. Have a look, all the hanging down, all the plants. Wow, it's just spectacular. It's very beautiful. Lovely. Okay, let's continue it. Let's see what else we can see here. Fosta, здравейте.
Нали 10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
Много благодаря.
Аз много благодаря. Приятна разходка.
И на ваш хубав ден. Чао, чао. Так, okay, let's check it out. What animals do they have? Oh, let me just... Oh, it's difficult. It's difficult to keep the camera, concentrate. All right, okay, here we go. Back in the business. All right, have a look. A deer, a cat. Hello, hello there. Hello, beauties. Hello there. Oh, yeah, no, I cannot feed you. No. And the cat. The cat is everywhere. Okay, let's continue it. What else do we have here? Alright, let's have a look. Some other type of animals, which I don't know. Let's see. Muflon, Ovis, Musimon. Maybe this is the Latin name here, and here is in Bulgarian. What do we have here? Original Bulgarian donkey. Haha, beautiful. Some rabbits. Monka? Moni? Видяли зайците? Да. Some rabbits, my daughter favorite animal. Oh, some white pigeons. I don't know, can you see them over there? White pigeons. Beautiful, they're so nice, so interesting. They're not like the pigeons you see on the streets. They're completely different. What else we can see here? Oh, some cocks and some hens. Some interesting type of it. Let's see. This is I know how it's in Bulgarian, but let me have a look how it's in English. In Bulgarian is budlivo prase. Prickly peak. Prickly peak, I don't know, I'm not sure is this the correct name in English, but I think is it. If no, I'm gonna find the correct name there. Over there, I don't know, are you able to see them? Amazing. Let's continue it and see what else we can see. Maybe this is the extension of their cage. Lovely little zoo. It's not big, as you can see. There are not some yeah, some other pigeons or birds. I don't know, looks like a pigeon. Interesting and different type. Yeah, there are not many animals, but still it's interesting to see it and experience it. What else is here? Nothing so far, looks empty. Faison, it's here. Where is it? It's down there. Some other chicken, ducks. These two are ducks just in front. All right. Let's see what else we can see in here. Do not climb the fence. What we can see here? Brown bear. Let's check it out. Where is it hiding? Here we go. All the information you need to know in Bulgarian, of course. Hey, hello. Hello there. What is this? Other type of bear with long nose. It's so sweet. It's so cute. Okay, let's continue it.
Ой, колко е сладко! Много е сладко!
Да?
Ще си игра с нас?
Ей! Здрасти! Здрасти!
Колко сладко! Има лука! Има птичка!
Here we go. And we can see the donkey from even closer. Hello! Hello! Hey! Здравей! Няма. Да, здравей. So let's continue with our walk in this lovely park. Maybe there is much more to see. Come on. This beautiful carved in the stone human face. Follow your dreams, they know the way. Yes, this is the secret. Just follow your dreams. Storgosia. It's ruins from ancient castle, and we're heading toward it. Opa, okay, let me just take these sunglasses. And we just finished with Kaylaka, and we're gonna see these ruins. And after that, we might go and have something to eat, because especially me, I'm starving. Let me just read a little bit for this park and give you a little bit more information for it. Kaylaka is large park and protected area south of Pleven, Bulgaria, situated in Karst Valley. The park is spread over 10 square kilometers. The ruins of the Roman fortress of Storgosia are located in Kaylaka, as well as pond and reservoir with boats and pedals, a swimming pool, hotels, cafes, restaurants, and playgrounds. We saw most of it. We are not going to be able to use the pedal boats because they're not open at the moment. Most of the restaurants were closed, but it's understandable. It's October, so they most probably they work in the summertime. Finally, it's time to have a lunch. So I'll tell you what do I have. I just just because there is no English, I will have pizza capricciosa with ham, some salami, cheese, smoked cheese, pickles, mushrooms, tomato paste and egg, with the most popular Bulgarian not alcoholic drink, ayran. So let's check it out, how it's gonna look like and how does it going to taste, which is the most important. Okay, looks delicious. Let's give it a try. And until I wait for my girls to come and we'll continue to the next destination, let me show you these beautiful fountains in the town center. They look very nice and brings, especially in warm days like today, a little bit of breeze, a little bit of it sprinkle water all over you so you can cool down, which is amazing. They look like some flowers. The name of the town, Pleven. And one of the many popular things on the street in Bulgaria, you can find corn or popcorn. It's just machines all over the place. Sorry, извинявай. And yeah, it's just very popular. It's very famous to have them on the streets in Bulgaria. So let's check it out, the fountains. Hello. Just in front of me. Здравей!
Hello!
Hello! Може и на български, може и на английски.
Ами аз на английски съм много добра, така че...
Нищо ще го научиш за YouTube.
За YouTube?
Искам да покажа на чужденците красивия ви град. Как се казваш?
Богдана.
Богдана, страхотно име. От тук ли сте?
Да.
Супер, много красив град. Не съм идвал от дете и решихме да го посетиме. Със семейството. Да, пътуваме наляво, надясно, снимаме, опитваме се да показваме красотите на България, на чужбина, навсякъде. Симеон. Симеон Колев Adventures. Хубав ден! Чао, чао! Мерси! Чао, чао! Да се гледате! Nice kids all over the place. And what I said, let's continue to the fountains, to the bigger fountains. Oh, it's so refreshing and they're so beautiful. Вечна слава на героите, отдали живота си за свободата на Отечеството. This is what it has been written. Monumentum for the fallen heroes who gave their lives for the freedom of Bulgaria. And all of their names, it has been written on the walls, as you can see. All of their names, so they never gonna be forgotten. Bench book. And just in front of us is the church Paraclis, Свети Георги Победоносец. The burning fire, which it's never goes off, in memory of the fallen heroes. It looks amazing, beautiful, but unfortunately it is not open. Here we go. How is it the correct pronunciation in English? The chapel mausoleum Saint George Victor. Okay. Bullets for the cannons.